YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Toshi. But before we get into that, guys, you know we got to talk about the market. Market sees some big volatility today, so we got to get into it. But I got to let you guys know also, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J. These are just my thoughts and opinions on the market. And at the end of the day, guys, it's just entertainment. So again, let's talk about this crypto market. As you guys can see, total market cap coming in at $3.15 trillion. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 37 right now. And as you guys can see, our market cap starting to capitulate as Bitcoin now drops below 96. We talked about what would happen if Bitcoin did decide it wanted to start going below 96, that we can see a lot of sell-off in the market. And as you guys can see, we're kind of seeing that right now, down 1.5%. Bitcoin looking very volatile right now. We do talk about the fact that a lot of times early in the week we do see fake outs. Later in the week we do see real price action. Is it a time to be short on the market? Is it a time to be long on the market? We're going to talk about a lot of it, as you guys can see. A lot of long-term indicators showing that, we're still in the race, right? We got this bull flag forming right here, right? We created this flagpole, created this flag, shot up, created another flagpole with a flag, shot up. Are we creating something similar? Is the retest going to look something more like this right here? Or is it going to look something more like this, where Bitcoin needs to correct down? Again, Bitcoin corrected right here from like 75,000 all the way down to like 52 before it decided it wanted to have a run up. So are we going to see something similar where we see a big sell off happen on Bitcoin? If that happens, guys, it can cause a lot of sell off in the in altcoins. But again, guys, anything can happen. Anything can happen. The market can always go either way. But it does seem like the market right now is looking like it might be starting to break down. Again, we were hoping that we could create some kind of wedge here, and then we rejected off of this zone. Then we were hoping for some kind of cup and handle at one point. That also rejected, and now again, looking like our market cap headed into some more fear. Are we going to see a deeper state of fear? And how long are we going to see this fear stay? When is the market going to start seeing recovery? That's probably the most common asked question that I'm getting right now. And the answer to that, guys, is only the market can decide that, guys. But we can look at past indicators and kind of see where Bitcoin has gone in the past and kind of determine where you might feel like the recovery might come in at, if the recovery is to come in anytime soon. As you guys could see from December right here, we were in our extreme greed, right? Our chart was way over here, extreme greed, and then we corrected all the way down. We didn't see this thing start really making more of a rally until like late January, like early February. Then we saw this thing really take off, hit a new all-time high. We stayed in this oversold zone for a little bit of time, right? And then we saw a big sell-off. This sell-off lasted from January, or from April all the way until really August was the bottom. So is it going to take a couple months for this Bitcoin to start seeing the bottom of its correction? Or are we just going to see a lot of swing trading happening in the market for the next couple months? Or is it going to be a quicker recovery, something similar to the first dip where it recovered like within the next couple months? Again, guys, we do normally have pullbacks at this time around like February, March. Usually we see a pullback in the market, so I'm not too surprised that we are seeing a pullback. But the question is, how low do we go on Bitcoin? And also, let's talk a little bit about Toshi, right? Because that's what you guys are here for. Again, you guys could see Toshi creating a lot of excitement over here on DEX tools, even though the price is dropping alongside the rest of the crypto market. Toshi Coin coming in today at number 4. Holder count coming in at 540,000, and this is definitely, again, a coin of interest for a lot of people that are trading on DEX tools, trading at number 4, right? You guys could see too, a lot of people buying, a lot of people selling. Very speculative overall. The market sentiment feeling a little bit grim today, so it does seem like a little more sell action. Again, you guys could see in the past 24 hours, Toshi Coin now down 11%, coming in at 263 million market cap. What a time to be in crypto, guys. What a time to be in crypto. That's all I have to say, because there's a lot of coins that are heavily discounted right now. There's a lot of coins that are heavily discounted from where they just were just a couple weeks ago. But again, guys, that's the way the market is, right? One minute you think that the Bitcoin's going to break up to 100K, the next minute Bitcoin sees a correction, and then the next minute you're selling all your coins, and then Bitcoin takes off. You know what I'm saying? I do think that Bitcoin can still see some upside in 2025. So how long the correction takes, guys, I really don't know. I would expect some time to play out. Corrections do tend to take time if they tend to happen. So again, but at the same time, I mean, look at this correction right here that we had. It was just literally, it started in December, and then it kind of trended like this all the way until like really January, and then really shot up, right? So maybe the recovery is something similar to this, where again, we're going to see a little bit of a correction in February, but then in March we might see some kind of takeoff. Or it might be similar to this, where we start creating a new all-time high in March, and then we start trending like this all the way until August, and then see, you know. So again, it just going off of past signals and stuff like that. That's kind of how I would gauge how long it's going to take for Bitcoin to make a recovery, because that's all we could really do. We could only use past indicators, but you guys could see we do still have this bull flag playing out right here so far on Bitcoin. So can it play out? Can it continue on? You guys see it created a bull flag right here. Even it did need to correct down and see some big sell-off, right? Went all the way from 75 all the way down to like 52, and then shot up. Maybe it needs to do something similar, right? See a decent sized sell-off. If that happens again, guys, it's going to cause a lot of red in the market, all across the market. It's not just Toshi Coin. It's literally the entire market right now that is seeing this Bitcoin dominance. And as you guys could see, Bitcoin dominance is actually a thing right now. Bitcoin has 60% dominance over the marketplace. And the fact that Bitcoin is now breaking some key resistance, again, it might weight down some of our coins. But how low will Bitcoin go? Only time will tell, guys. We'll keep watching it on this channel. If you guys like these videos, let me know in the comment section. I am on a mission, guys, to get 100,000 subscribers so that I can move to Colombia, guys. My goal is to pack up my stuff and move my life to Colombia, guys. We're getting close to achieving that goal, but we can't do it without you guys. Every single like, every single comment, and of course every single subscribe gets us closer to that 100K mark. Also, I want to know how much Toshi Coin you guys are holding. Are you buying on this dip? Are you waiting to buy more for when it dips? If it dips a little bit more, are you going to be accumulating? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, guys, if you're not yet tapped into my private Telegram, tap into my private Telegram. It's a free resource for you guys. I'll open it up for you guys just so you know. If you want to join that, all you got to do is follow me over on TikTok. I'm trying to get 1,000 followers on TikTok so I can start going live on TikTok and YouTube. We've been going live on YouTube a lot. Make sure you hit the bell notification, guys. I'm trying to keep you guys as informed as possible of Bitcoin, of this market volatility that we're seeing. And guys, nobody does it better than your boy Crypto J. So again, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. We're going to keep doing it. Also, if you guys are looking to tap into Patreon, guys, I suggest that you check it out. We got a lot of 6- and 7-figure cryptocurrency holders in that Telegram group that's attached to the Patreon, and those guys are super helpful. They can help you look at your contracts. You could ask them questions and stuff about the market, and if you're a new trader, it's a great resource for you, as well as if you've been in trading for a long time, because again, you'll be able to network with people. Again, not a place for financial advice. Cryptocurrency is always risky, guys. You know, this is kind of the risk that we take in being in the markets. Markets are volatile, so just make sure you guys are being responsible out there. Make sure, you know, you're not spending more money than you can afford losing, right? Something that's very important, that we're not investing money we can't afford to lose. That way we don't have to be so emotional about the markets. That's one way I always can really gauge how people will kind of do in these markets, by how emotional they get during these Bitcoin dips. A lot of people, guys, are going to sell for a loss. Most people do lose in cryptocurrency because most people are playing crypto like a gamble. They're, you know, buying poo coins and stuff like that, and they are then selling for a loss every time that Bitcoin dips down because they think that their coin's going to keep going to zero. I personally don't think that Toshi Coin's going to go to zero. Toshi Coin has a lot of interest. They're listed on some big exchanges, including KuCoin and Coinbase. I'm curious to see if this thing is going to get a Binance listing. I would speculate that it's definitely on Binance's watch list. It's on a lot of people's watch list, guys. Over 100,000 people watching Toshi right now over on CoinMarketCap. So I'm going to remain bullish on it, guys. I'm looking for the cheapest price possible. I told you guys that ever since we started correcting. I'm still looking to dollar cost average into Toshi. And honestly, I'm not upset at the price today because it just tells me that I have more time to be accumulating this thing. Again, if cryptocurrency decides it wants to ride sideways or whatever it decides it wants to do, if it gives me extra time to accumulate more, that's what I look for. I'm somebody that's long on this space. I feel like cryptocurrency has a future. Some people may not feel the same way. Some people may just feel like this space is all about gambling and all about making a quick profit. But again, I don't feel that way about the market. You got to have your own exit strategies, though, according to how you feel in the market, guys. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just your homie Crypto J, and I just give you my insights in cryptocurrency every single day. I appreciate you guys all again for all the support that you guys have been giving me. Let's see if we can get this video to 200 likes. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.